Hi. Now we can do clocks, the types. So first type is angle moved by the hour hand and minute hand. Okay, angle moved by the hour hand, minute hand. First, in 1 hour, minute hand moves 360 degree. So for example, in 1 hour, what will happen? The minute hand will move entire 360 degree. Okay, so the movement of minute hand is 360 degree. In 1 hour, the hour hand will move how many degree? How many degree means it will move 5 minutes from 12 to 1, correct? 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, the hour hand will move only 5 minutes. So 5 minutes means how to convert this into degree. It's very, very important. So 1 minute equal to what? 1 minute equal to 6 degree. 5 minute equal to what? 30 degree. So what we can say, in 1 hour, minute hand will move entire 360 degree. That is 60 minute equal to 360 degree. In 1 hour, the hour hand will move 5 minutes. That means what? 30 degree. Okay, so you must be very careful with this conversions. So 1 hour, again I write this, 1 hour, the minute hand will move 60 minutes. In terms of degree, I can say 360 degree. In 1 hour, the hour hand will move 5 minutes. In degree time, I can say it is what? 30 degrees. Right? Next, minute hand is 12 times faster than the hour hand, correct? So see this, minute hand and hour hand, we can equate it. Minute hand, hour hand. So this is hour hand, this is minute hand. So if you cancel, what will happen? So 1 is to 12, correct? If we cancel this, we can say that ratio is what? So that's a 12 times faster. So minute hand is 12 times faster than the hour hand. If we make a formula, we can make like this. Okay, hour hand, HH means hour hand, go to minute hand divided by 12. Okay, hour hand equal to minute hand by 12. For example, if I want to find the hour hand, minute hand is moving 360 degree in 1 hour. Then hour hand will move how many degree? Means if you cancel this, you will get what? 30 degree, right? So in minute hand is moving 360 degree. What is the degree turned by the hour hand? Means what? 360 by 12, it is what? 30 degree. So hour hand will move 30 degree, right? So already we have seen this. In 1 minute, minute hand movement is 6 degree. In 1 minute, hour hand movement is half degree. Okay, these are the important thing for answering the first type, angle moved by the hour hand and minute hand. Okay, we can do the questions based on this this informations. Now see this, if the minute hand of the clock has moved 300 degree, then how many degree does the hour hand moves? Already I said what? The formula is what? Hour hand equal to minute hand by 12. So they are saying what? Minute hand has moved 300 degree. Then hour hand has moved how many degree? This is the question. So hour hand, we need to know 300 divided by 12. So what is the answer? 2 times 24, remaining the 6, and then to the 5. So hour hand has moved how many degree? 25 degrees. That's it. So this is the answer. So we can find hour hand and minute hand movement based on this formula. How we are getting this 12? This is what? Minute hand is 12 times faster than the hour hand. So we derived it. How we derived it? 30, this is for hour hand. Minute hand is 360. So this values are given for 1 hour. In 1 hour, hour hand moves 30 degree. In 1 hour, minute hand moves 360 degree. So if you make a ratios, it is what? 1 is to 12. So we can call it as what? In 1 hour, minute hand is 12 times faster than the hour hand. Okay, so based on this, we are getting this answer. We'll try next question. A clock is started at 12 noon. By 20 minutes past 5, the hour hand has turned through how many degrees? Okay, from 12 o'clock to 5:20, the degree movement of hour hand. This is the question. From 12 o'clock to 5:20, degree movement of hour hand. Okay, very simple. See this. For every 1 hour, hour hand will move how many degree? Already we have seen this, 30 degree, correct? For every 1 hour, hour hand will move 30 degree. Then what is the time gap here? For every total 5 hours, the hover hand will move what? 5 into 30. 5 into 30 is 150 degree. Okay, 5 into 30, 150 degree. But it is not 5 o'clock. They are asking us to find 5:20. Now we see this 1 minute. For every 1 minute, hover hand will move what? Half degree. So these conversions are very important. 1 hour hover hand is 30 degree. 1 minute hover hand is half degree. 20 minutes hover hand movement is 20 into 1 by 2 degree. That is what? 10 degree. So from 12 to 520, total degree movement is what? 160 degree movement. Okay, total degree movement is 160 degree movement. So for 5 hours, consider this. From 12 o'clock, it need to move to what degree? It need to move 520. Okay, so this is 520. They're asking this degree. This degree is what? 160 degree. From 12 to 520, 520, the total degree movement in the hover hand is what? 160 degree. Correct? So this conversion is very important. In 1 hour, hover hand is 330 degree. In 1 minute, hover hand is half degree. Memorize this, and you can do this question. The clock is started at 4 p.m. By 40 minutes past 4, the hover hand has turned through how many degree? Means from 4 p.m. to 4:40, how many degree the hover hand has moved? Okay. So here within from 4 to 4:40, so just 40 minutes movement. We know that 1 minute movement in hover hand is half degree. Then 40 minutes movement in hover hand is what? 40 into 1 by 2 is what? 20 degree. So answer is 20 degree. For this question, answer is 20 degree. Next. An accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. Through how many degrees will the hover hand rotate when the clock is 2 p.m.? So 2 o'clock in the afternoon, that is 2 p.m. From 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so we know that for every 1 hour, the hover hand will move how many degree? 30 degree. From here to here, how many time gap is there? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 6 hours gap is there. 6 hours gap. So for 6 hours, hover hand will move 6 into 30, answer is 180 degree movement. Okay, so if you see this time in a clockwise, this is 8 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. Now I need to know for the time of 2 o'clock. This is 2 o'clock. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 and 2. Correct? From 8 to 2. The total degree movement is what? 180 degree movement. Fine? Okay. So for the next type, please see the next video. Thank you for following my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.